Hey you, and welcome to this video, and today I will help you out how to go live on TikTok without 1k followers. For that, go to your profile, tap on the three lines right in the top and tap on settings and privacy. From here, scroll down and tap on report a problem. From here, tap in go live and then tap on live is suspended. Is your problem solved? No. And then need more help. And from here, I'm here to tell you just the truth, because I'm here to help you out, and I'm not here to tell you some shit things, you know. It's just the option going live on TikTok that you can do with 1,000 followers or more. You have to be 18 years of age or older. And you need to be sure that you are using the latest version on TikTok. And these three things are just the requirements for go live on TikTok. And there is no other video how to go live earlier than these requirements. So keep in mind, just work on your way to reach the 1,000 followers on TikTok. And make sure that you are 18 years or older, and then you can go live. Alright, this is the way how it works. If you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like, and thanks for watching.